Okay, I'm gonna take a video.
This is really...
That's very, very tall, all the way to the ceiling fan. And then let's take a picture of this side. Now the Angry Bird's ready to get it. And the pigs are on the other side, right? There's a pig. Where's the other pig?
All the way down.
There's a pig.
I can see
I can see you. Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo, I can see you.
Yeah, I can see you too.
Peekaboo. Be careful, this might fall on you. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Goes all the way up to there. Okay. I'm gonna stand out of the way. Now, if it comes towards you, you better be careful and block your head, okay? Whoa. That was a big crash. Yeah, it made a big noise.
That was a big boom.
It was a big boom. Yep.
Knocked out those.
Yeah, that was another big, big boom and crash. Yeah. Uh-oh, what was that?
That was just a pig.
Yeah, don't throw the pig way over there.
That's why that boom knocked the pigs all over there. What's happening to all the pigs?
I don't know. I think you're throwing them.
But they're rolling.
They're rolling. Okay.
I don't know what happened. I don't know what's happening.
You don't know what's happening?
Yeah. That's why.
Well, Angry Bird's over here. There.
There?
Mm-hmm.
Well.
Hello, Angry Bird.